Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order food in Talabat app. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up the Talabat app, and then here I want you to go ahead and click on food. And from this section you can come here and search for any restaurants or dishes you're interested in, or you can just scroll down and you'll see the different restaurant options near you. So let's do this one right here, and then you just go ahead and pick items to add to your cart. So click here on start, and we have started our cart. So as you can see here, we see the closing time. You can click here on view cart, and then you can add other options if you want. If you have any special requests, like if you want cutlery, you can toggle this one on. If you have special requests, just type it in here. Maybe you don't want onions or garlic. Type that in if you have allergic concerns. And then once you are ready, you click here on checkout, and then you need to make sure you've chosen your correct address. If it is wrong, change it. So click here on change. Then you can add other addresses and enter right here and confirm that. So we'll stick to this address. If you have any delivery instructions to add, go ahead and add that right here. Let's say you don't want them to ring the bell, and then you come here, add your payment method, or you can choose cash. And finally, you can just come here, click on place order. And that is how to order food in Talabat app.